Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to create Instagram Broadcast Channel 2024. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open your Instagram application on your device. So just open your Instagram. Now you just have to click on the message icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then once you're here, you will then just have to click on this pencil icon at the top right hand corner of your screen. Then right here, you would be able to see the broadcast channel option. So as you can see, I don't have it because in order for you to get that kind of feature in Instagram is you have to have at least 10,000 followers. So if you don't have at least 10,000 followers on Instagram is you would not be able to create a broadcast channel. But if you do have 10,000 followers on Instagram or more and you cannot find the options right here, the next thing that you should do is you have to go back here and then click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right hand corner of your screen. Now just have to scroll down to the bottom until you can see the help option. So just click on the help and then click on the report a problem. Now right here, just have to select report problem without shaking. And then just click on don't include and continue. So right here, you will then just have to type out your message. For example, please help me enable the option where I can create my Instagram broadcast channel. I have 10,000 followers or more, and thank you. And after that, you'll then just have to click on send and then just have to wait for 24 hours or 48 hours until Instagram will fix the issue. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.